it's Miss Sarah. Today I am going to show you how we're going to make our weaving bookmarks. So your kit is going to come with a couple beads. You don't have to use them, but you can put them on the end if you'd like, and you're going to come with your yarn. So I'm going to tilt the camera down so you can kind of see what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. Okay, friends, so the first thing you're going to do is your kit's going to come with these 3 straws. So you will need your own piece of tape. What you're going to do is put the tape right over the last inch, just about a tape lengthwise, so that you can keep them together. And you want to make sure that you can still move them so that you can get your yarn in and out. So instead of showing you the entire thing, I'll just show you in steps so I won't bore you with 10 minutes of weaving. So what you're going to do is take your yarn, the open end, and you're going to just place it like this. I'll show you the first weave all the way down to your tape. So you want to leave about an inch or 2 at the end so that you can tie it off later. So the first thing you're going to do is go over, under this one, and over this one. And what you did this way, you're going to just have to go backwards the other way. So because you went over on this last one, you're going to go under, and then over the middle one, and then under the last one. And it won't look like much just yet, but it'll look like that. There's your tail, and you're back on this end. So you'll just go back and redo it again. So because you went under on this last one, you're gonna go over, then under, then over the straw. So it'll look like this, and you'll start to see it coming together. I'm gonna do a couple just so you'll see how it looks. You're gonna do your under, over, and make sure that every so often you push it down so that you don't have big gaps. You don't want to leave it like this. So you push it down, and you'll see that it's starting to come together. So we'll do a couple more. Under, over, under. And then we'll do it again. Over, under, over. And under, over, under. So we're just where we started off. Just gonna show you that. So it'll look like this. You'll see it starting to come together pretty well. And once you have gone all the way to the end, I have a completed one right here, you're going to leave another tail end. So both ends need about an inch or 2. I have a little extra here, but whatever you have left over is totally fine. So that's how that's gonna look. You don't have to tape the other end, just leave the first one as it is. So once you've done that, also see that your kit came with a shorter piece of yarn, just like this. It's enough for all 3 of your straws. So what you're gonna need to do is on your own, cut that into thirds. Doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as you can get it. So I'm just gonna make that into 3 separate pieces of yarn. Just like that. So you'll have 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to slide it through. We'll use my completed one here. You're going to slide it through. Each one gets their own straw. So just push it right through the top and slide it all the way through till it comes out the other end. It'll take a little bit. All right, so just like that, you'll see the ends out of the straw, and you're gonna do it with your 2 other pieces. Like I said, 1 piece of yarn in each straw. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll just fast forward to what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so you'll see here that I have 3 strings. They are on both ends, and you still have your tail pieces. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your tail piece, whatever end you finished on, and tie it to the one that is closest. So I ended on my straw right here. I'm going to tie it to this one. So you're just going to make a little knot, and you could do 2, you want it to stick, and this needs to be on your untaped end. So you'll see that you have this tied. Now you'll take the two ends that you haven't touched and you're going to tie those together. And you, like I said, you can do 2 knots. Now once you have that, and be careful you don't pull them out, you still need them on your other end, you can tie these two together. Your 2 knots can become 1. So now what you're going to do is where your tape end is, you're going to just gently slide your entire thing right off of your straw. And because they're tied, it's not going to fall apart. So you can see it here, and it's a little wobbly. So before you do anything, you're gonna wanna take your ends that were through the straw and do what you did to this side to the other side. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you're just going to do exactly what you did over there. You're going to tie where you ended off right with the one on the left, and then you're gonna take the 2 other ones, tie those together, and then together form a big knot on the end. And like I said, this is where you can put your beads if you'd like. And that's it. That's what it looks like. You'll have your bookmark and it looks completed just like this. Your colors will be a little different, but it'll work perfect. You can put it right in your book and they won't fall out. Just like that. And if you have the beads and everything, it'll hang right out and you'll always remember your place. All right, friends, well, that's it. I hope you had fun. I know it's a little difficult, but it also comes with paper instructions in case you need them. Have a great day, friends. Happy reading.